Hey there! Are you ready to learn about a fantastic opportunity to make some serious cash? Well, you're in luck because I've got an amazing method that can help you earn $52 every 15 minutes. Believe me, you won't want to miss out on this. Introducing Panel Stars, the ultimate game changer. This tool is not only incredibly easy to use, but it's also budget-friendly, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. With just a few clicks, you can boost your likes, followers, views, and overall engagement on social media without emptying your wallet. What's great about Panel Stars is that it caters to everyone. Whether you're a small business owner striving for success, an aspiring influencer chasing fame, or simply someone who wants to make a splash in the social media scene, Panel Stars has got your back. Don't fret if you're not a social media guru, because Panel Stars has designed their website to be user-friendly. In no time, you'll be up and running, ready to unleash the power of this incredible tool. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First things first, create an account with Panel Stars. Once you're all set up, choose your favorite social media platform: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, you name it, and guess what? Panel Stars has got you covered across all of them. Now comes the fun part. Select the type of engagement you desire. Whether it's likes, followers, views, or comments, Panel Stars can provide it all. Remember, the more engagement you have, the higher your posts will soar. So, if you're looking for an effortless way to make some serious cash and boost your social media presence, Panel Stars is your secret weapon. Don't wait any longer. Seize this opportunity and watch your online presence skyrocket. Disclaimer: it's important to note that building a genuine and engaged audience takes time and effort. While Panel Stars can offer a boost, it's essential to focus on providing valuable content and engaging with your audience organically for long-term success. Step 1. Unleash your potential by signing up for Panel Stars. Joining Panel Stars is a breeze, taking only a few minutes of your time. Begin your journey by visiting the website panelstars.com. As you enter this digital realm, your eyes will be drawn to the Sign Up button, majestically positioned in the top right-hand corner. Click on this button and behold, you will be transported to a new page, beckoning you to enter your personal details. Provide your email address, choose a memorable username, and fortify your account with a robust password. Once your details are entered, prepare for the final verification. Panel Stars will send you an email containing a link to verify your email address. Embrace this moment and click on the link, symbolizing your commitment to this remarkable journey. With your email address verified, you will be whisked back to the website, ready to continue your ascent. Now let's fuel your ambition by adding funds to your Panel Stars account. Panel Stars accommodates various payment methods, including PayPal, credit, and debit cards, as well as the futuristic allure of Bitcoin. Select the payment method that resonates with you, follow the instructions, and witness the transformation of your investment into opportunity. Once your payment has been processed, you stand at the threshold of possibility. Prepare to immerse yourself in the abundance of social media engagement services that Panel Stars offers. Traverse the website and explore the vast array of options tailored to suit your needs. From likes to followers, views to comments, Panel Stars holds the key to unlocking your digital dreams. Step 2. Unleash your creativity by exploring TikTok's living room decor wonders. In the vast realm of TikTok, businesses have found a captivating stage to showcase their products and services, and the realm of living room decor is no exception. So, let's dive in and uncover the treasures that await you. Begin your quest by venturing into the enchanting world of TikTok. Once there, harness the power of hashtags to guide your search. Utilize hashtags like #LivingRoomDecor or #InteriorDesign to uncover pages that specialize in the realm of home decor products. Behold, a plethora of pages shall unveil themselves before your eyes. Take a moment to explore these digital captivating videos. Immerse yourself in their artistic narratives and discover the array of products they offer. Step 3. Connect with potential clients and unlock new possibilities. Now that you've discovered promising prospects, it's time to establish meaningful connections. Leverage the power of TikTok's messaging system to reach out and make a lasting impression. Introduce yourself warmly and articulate how you can assist in their business growth. Highlight the importance of engagement in building trust with potential customers, noting that you noticed their videos may lack comments. Offer to provide positive comments to boost engagement and elevate the brand. Emphasize the efficiency and speed of fulfilling orders through panel stars, showcasing the benefits it brings to their business. For those seeking assistance in crafting the perfect message, embrace the power of ChatGPT. Share details about your desired target audience and the message's tone, and let ChatGPT generate a personalized message for you. Add your personal touch or make edits to ensure its uniqueness. Let me provide an example of how you can utilize ChatGPT's assistance. Hello, ChatGPT. I'm looking to provide social media marketing services, specifically to TikTok account owners who specialize in selling home decor products. Could you assist me in creating a message to reach out to them? I would like the message to convey a friendly, helpful, and professional tone while emphasizing the advantages of my services. Additionally, I would like to inquire if they are interested in collaborating with me. Harnessing ChatGPT's capabilities not only saves you time, but also ensures a professional and effective message. It serves as an invaluable resource, providing inspiration and generating ideas to kickstart your messaging journey. Step 4. Empower your client's success with panel stars. After connecting with TikTok account owners and presenting your social media marketing services, it's time to fulfill their orders seamlessly through panel stars. Once your clients place an order, effortlessly navigate the website to purchase the required social media engagement. With orders fulfilled, your focus now shifts to expanding your client base and maximizing your earnings. Continue reaching out to TikTok account owners offering living room decorations, while also exploring opportunities on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Stay proactive in seeking new prospects to showcase your services. To boost your earnings, consider offering different service levels at various price points. Craft a basic package with a set number of social media engagements per month and supplement it with additional services such as social media advertising or influencer marketing at higher tiers. These strategies ensure a constant stream of income, making success as easy as pie. That concludes today's video on the most effortless way to make money with panel stars in 2023. I trust you found these tips and tricks valuable, igniting your excitement to establish your own social media marketing agency. Remember to like and subscribe for more captivating content like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them below. I eagerly await your feedback. Until next time.